What is up, guys? Welcome to the Aldosoft Tech Hub, and in today's video I'm going to show you the easiest way to recover a corrupted drive or a drive that shows the error that you need to format the disk in the drive before you can use it. I have a lot of files on it, hence formatting it will make me lose all the files. So I'm going to show you how to go about it. First, search for command prompt in the search field, then run as administrator. Now we are going to type in a command called the check disk command, and this is how to use it. chkdsk space / and then question mark gives you the information on how to use a command. So this is how it is used. chkdsk as the command, so it checks a disk and displays a status report. Then volume path name or file, in this case, which is letter F, then /f fixes errors on the disk and all the other commands that continue. But here is the case, we need only the /f for this purpose. So chkdsk space the volume or path name, then colon space and then /f. So as you can see, it is because of errors, that is why our drive is not readable. So it will correct the drive and then correct the errors, but it will not delete your file. So this is the error. So after a while, if you have a lot of files on it, it will take you a very long time, but you need to be patient for it to complete its task. And after everything, your drive is now readable. You can use it. If you found value in this video, kindly subscribe to the channel for more tech content. Until the next one, it's bye for now.